Hurricane season is here. Here's what you need to know if a hurricane threatens our area. During the storm, track local news and radio broadcasts with a battery-operated television or radio. You'll hear updates on weather conditions, utility hazards, and flooding. Only when authorities have issued the all clear will it be safe for you and your family to go outdoors. So, stay inside, stay informed, and stay alive.
For more information, contact us at the number below.
This is a safety message by Palm Beach County Fire Rescue.